How to update Filmmaker Pro app. First of all, open the Play Store and tap on the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type Filmmaker Pro and select the official app by Cerdilac. If an update is available, you will see an update button instead of open. Tap on the update button to start downloading the latest version. The update time will depend on your internet speed. After the update is complete, open the app to check if everything is working properly. Updates often bring new features, bug fixes, and improved performance, so it's important to keep your app up to date. If you have automatic updates enabled on your device, the app may update on its own in the future. However, checking manually ensures you don't miss any new tools or improvements. Now you know how to update Filmmaker Pro app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.